Hey, Josh here from Boorman Lawyers. I'm here at Gosford Local Court on the central coast of New South Wales, where I've just appeared on a middle range drink driving offence and received a fantastic outcome for our client. We got a conditional release order with no conviction, no fine, no interlock, and basically he can resume driving from today. So very happy client, and he's put on a good behaviour bond for 18 months. Now, the facts of the matter are relatively straightforward. My client's from India. He's been here for the past 6 years. He was on an Indian licence, and in the past 6 years of being here has incurred 3 more minor traffic infringements. So not a huge record, relatively limited. Certainly got no major offences and no criminal antecedents on his record, so relatively clean skin. He's quite an intelligent man. He's got a Bachelor of Engineering, Electronics Engineering, and a Master's in Engineering Manufacturing. He works for Hyundai Rotem and a full-time job there. So he's here in Australia. He's gainfully employed and adding goodness to our society and community, obviously with the exception of this matter before the court today. On the night of the offence, he'd been at home. It was a Sunday night. He had no plans of drinking, had no plans of driving. A friend of his popped over. He brought over a 6-pack of Cooper's Sparkling Ale. Now, this is a 5.8% alcohol content beer, much stronger than your usual standard full-strength beer even. My client had 3 of these beers between 6:30 till 9:30. His friend then left and he ordered some Uber Eats, but unfortunately a short time later the Uber driver cancelled the order, and my client then made the very foolish decision to get into his car, drive down to the restaurant, short distance away, to pick up the food before the restaurant closed. On his way back, he was witnessed to have cut a corner too closely. Police followed him and he slightly swerved within his lane. Nothing significantly aggravated. It was late on a Sunday night, minimal traffic around, no pedestrians. He was the sole occupant of the vehicle, and when pulled over and recorded a final blood alcohol concentration reading of 0.082. So he's just slipped into the middle range category here in New South Wales. So there's nothing significantly aggravated. He did the traffic offenders program. He got some very good references, and a very strong, heartfelt letter of apology went before the court. The prosecution objected to a no conviction order, but as we indicated to the court, it's not like he's getting off scot-free. He's already been off the road, suspended since the time of the offence for about 6 to 7 weeks. He's done the traffic program. He's got a good record. He's of good character, and it's not in any way, it's not significantly aggravated, the matter. So I did submit that it was the sort of matter where Her Honour could just be persuaded to not record a conviction, and as such she agreed with us. She put our client on a conditional release order to be good behaviour for 18 months. So that means no conviction. Certainly he was concerned about that going through the migration process here in Australia. No fine, no disqualification, and no interlock order, which is an added bonus. So a very, very relieved and happy client today. And he's given up drinking, and I think it's the last time we'll ever see him on the wrong side of the law again. Thanks for tuning in here at Gosford Local Court on the central coast of New South Wales. I want to thank you for tuning into Boorman Lawyers today. You can catch us at any of the usual social media platforms. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to contact us on 1300 941 900. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this video today. I really hope it was informative and helpful for you. There's another couple of videos below that you might want to check out that may be very useful for the process that you might be going through at the moment. Please feel free to like, follow, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we've always got fresh new content coming through all the time.